Setting up Mailchimp for email marketing best practices is essential if you want to optimize your email campaigns and boost engagement. In this video, we'll cover how to effectively set up Mailchimp to get the best results from your email marketing efforts, so stick around till the end. By the way, if you're interested in starting out with Mailchimp, you can use it for completely free through the first link below, plus you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. Let's dive right into it. First, the very first thing you'll need to do is set up your Mailchimp account. If you don't already have one, head over to the site and sign up. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Make sure to complete your profile setup with your business information and email preferences. Next thing, let's set up your audience. This is key because your audience is the foundation of your email marketing efforts. Mailchimp allows you to upload your existing contacts or create a new list. It's important to organize your audience using tags and groups to ensure your emails are targeted to the right people. You can also set up sign-up forms on your website to automatically add new subscribers to your list, which helps grow your audience efficiently. The third thing to focus on is creating your first email campaign. After setting up your audience, go to the campaign section and choose to create a new campaign. Mailchimp offers different types of campaigns such as regular emails, automated emails, and A/B testing emails. Start with a simple regular email to test the waters and make sure your design is responsive and user-friendly. Next, let's talk about email design. Mailchimp offers an easy-to-use drag-and-drop email editor that allows you to create stunning emails without any design experience. Choose a pre-designed template or build one from scratch. Be sure to include a strong subject line, eye-catching visuals, and a clear call to action that encourages your subscribers to engage with your content. Keep your email content concise and valuable. The fifth thing is automation. Once your audience is set and you've created your initial campaign, take advantage of Mailchimp's powerful automation features. You can automate welcome emails, birthday emails, or even create drip campaigns that send a series of emails over time based on your subscribers' behaviors. This saves you time while ensuring your audience receives the right emails at the right time. Finally, tracking and reporting. Once your email is sent, Mailchimp gives you detailed analytics on how your campaigns are performing. Check your open rates, click-through rates, and other engagement metrics to understand what's working and where you can improve. Use these insights to optimize future campaigns for better results. And before we wrap up, remember that with Mailchimp, you can use the software completely free from the first link below, and you'll also get an exclusive extended free trial to help you get started. In conclusion, setting up Mailchimp for email marketing best practices isn't complicated when you follow these key steps. Start with organizing your audience, create visually appealing emails, automate your campaigns, and use data to improve your strategy. Be sure to check out the link below for the free trial and exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.